Who's saying what?
I don't know. We can do it a couple different times and kind of mesh it in all together. So there's bumblebees all around us.
A lot of bumblebees.
But I'll be scared.
The bumblebees want to be in our video.
I love
Do you want to wear the glasses? You look cool. So on the count of 3, ready? 1, ooh!
2.
1, 2, 3. Welcome to our channel. Good job, Jay.
I didn't really get it.
You didn't get to say it, or you?
I said, you said welcome, and I said to our channel.
If you're new to the channel, what we're doing is totally renovating an old stone house to live in someday. We've got multiple episodes. We've tried to show everything from beginning to end as far as the demolition to starting to build now that the demo is over. And in this week's video, we are doing a French drain, and this is the second video for the French drain.
And by we, he means he.
Sarah has dug very little with the French drain, and very little means 0.
I don't think I moved even
I
one
like
shovel of
100.
dirt.
You had some excuse though. A very strategically timed baby.
Yes. That was my plan.
Probably gonna have.
Bye-bye.
Not yet.
Okay. You'll be getting long-winded.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I hope you enjoyed the video.
Oh, now
I
another
hope you
thing.
enjoyed the
Another
video.
thing you gotta say is, please subscribe and like the video.
Please subscribe and like the video.
Of this place, away of this place, away of this place, away of this place,
I'm to the point where it's not so mindless anymore, where I'm just digging. Now I've got to try to think about the grade and getting the grade right. That spot way back there is the high spot. So I needed to go down towards you, and then it's gonna break away and go into a catch basin. I don't know if you can see this yellow line I've got on the house, but the yellow line is level. And you can see like it's basically ground level over there, and then over here it's about 19 inches higher than ground. So it's 19 inches of pitch. So really, I don't need to do anything, I don't think. But I'm gonna smooth it out. I have no expectations of how difficult it's gonna be to wheelbarrow the gravel from about 70 feet away to this spot. I think it's gonna be a lot more hard work than I'm thinking. I basically want to put in equal amounts throughout the whole run. I don't want to have like way more in the middle. It might create some sort of weird hump or something. I'm gonna start at that far end, see how big one scoop can go, and I'll get a way better idea of how long this might take. I'm thinking I'll need 10 loads. 10 loads should get me right where I am right now. Find out. It only took 9, so I was off by 1. It wasn't that bad.